Namaskar and hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video today, Monday, March 27th, I've tried to decode the derivative data based on the open interest of all the participants. So let's start with Nifty and surprise, the FIIs were big into long today, short covering and also adding longs today, more of short covering from them. Now, whether this short covering is just a square of the March shorts they had. We will need to see tomorrow if they again go back into shorting April. If it is not, then it's a good sign that they have covered a significant amount of shorts today. So starting with the FIs, what they have done in the index futures out here. So 5,600 बाइंग आई है उनसे इधर, बट बहुत बड़ी क्वांटिटी में शॉर्ट कवरिंग है ये 31,000 उनका, बहुत सिग्निफिकेंट है, 15% शॉर्ट कवरिंग उनके तरफ से हुआ है. तो ये अगर रोल ओवर की इस चक्कर में नहीं है कि कल वापस वो शॉर्ट करेंगे तो दूसरी बात है, क्योंकि लग रहा है जो आज का जो लास्ट आवर में हैवी डाउन आया था, उन्होंने ये अपॉर्चुनिटी यूज किया अपना शॉर्ट कवर करने का उस समय मार्केट में. तो good, and look at the ratio change. 1:1.45. This is fantastic. It's getting better. If it gets much better, then we will say yes, there is some decent scope of the market could then rally more before they get further bullish, or then they look at a bearish opportunity in the market. The domestic institutions very nominal today from their side. The prop desk has also done both. They've added some good longs और यहाँ में shorts भी add हुए हैं उनके तरफ से. तो net थोड़ा सा cover हुआ है उनका short. net बहुत ज्यादा cover नहीं हुआ है prop desk के वहां से. और clients, इनका हम क्या बोले, हम जो हमारी लोकल, हम जो है रिटेल ट्रेडर, HNI ट्रेडर, नॉन इंस्टीट्यूशनल कॉर्पोरेट हाउसेस, पूरे डाउन ट्रेंड में लॉन्ग लॉन्ग लॉन्ग. और आज जब FII ने इतना बड़ा शॉर्ट कवरिंग किया है, so the clients have gone and added fresh shorts today. So today's last hour decline, which we saw from 17,000 approx 100 till 16,975, was clearly client shorting and FIIs covering shorts happening out there. So you can see how dramatic that picture has changed now. All of a sudden, the whole thing is looking different now. Clients are going bearish in this opportunity. Now, in the call put side of the index, here also, now before I go that, look and see this. It's majority buying on the Nifty. Not so much on the Bank Nifty, but majority buying happened on the Nifty. So even if Bank Nifty does not show any traction, but we see bullishness, it could be Nifty which would be doing the thing, which means that sectors like IT and stocks like ITC or Reliance could do some upside move, because those would be the non-banking heavyweights which can impact Nifty going forward. Now let's have a look at the index options. Here also, there's a sharp droppage in the ratio. We've come down to 1 to 1.5. So very good current. The main reason is this out here. Look at the call net figure happening from the FI. So काफी bullish आज FI की तरफ से derivative segment में आया है. Domestic institutions बहुत ज्यादा नहीं है, बहुत nominal put long है इधर में उनका. Prop desk shorted more of calls. Surprising. They normally follow the FIIs, what the FIs do. So they are at 3 lakh call short, but also look at the prop desk shorting puts. Good quantity of put shorted by them. So the prop desk for this expiry on Wednesday are not very bullish, but at the same time, they don't appear to be bearish now. They feel that these lower levels or slightly below that will hold, and the market would, if it opens weak also, would bounce back. Those puts are going to melt to zero according to them, and we can see out here. See the quantity of puts shorted from them. काफी बड़ा quantity put short किया उन्होंने आज. At the same time, the clients out here have done, look at this. इतना बड़ा लॉन्ग था उनका, इतना बड़ा लॉन्ग था, और आज सब साफ हो गया. फुल साफ हो गया उनका ना। रातों रात क्या उनको दिखा मार्केट में लास्ट 2 घंटा में या आज पूरे दिन में कि उन्होंने पूरा बुलिशनेस साफ कर दिया इस एक्सपायरी का अपना, जबकि बाकी सब एक्सपायरी को लेके इतना बेरिश नहीं है जितना वो इधर दिख रहे हैं। और साथ में उन्होंने थोड़ा पुट कवरिंग भी किया है, सो सम पुट कवरिंग आल्सो टेकिंग प्लेस। द क्लाइंट्स डू नॉट अपीयर बुलिश फॉर द एक्सपायरी right now, while the prop desk is neutral. Prop desk neutral to mildly bearish, mildly, not too much bearishness from themselves. The clients super bearish. FIIs from their data, but remember FIIs are not so much into weeklies. They prefer to play the longer range through monthlies and all that. They have also reduced their bearishness considerably today in the market. Stock futures again, fantastic short covering from the FIIs today. 20,000 short covering है. Again, decent amount है. 20% लगभग उनका position काफी, not 20%, थोड़ा सा 20 से कम है कवरेज में. और लॉन्ग्स भी नॉमिनल ऐड हुए हैं उनकी तरफ से इधर यहाँ पर. बट ये क्या कल भी वैसे ही कंटिन्यू होगा कि कल हम इसमें वापस फ्रेश शॉट्स देखेंगे? So if we see again them doing a similar or more close shorts, then we will think that today was just a rollover trade and tomorrow they are again going back into their same short positions. So we need that 1 day consistency. Will not do. We need at least 2 days coming from the FIIs to confirm that. DIIs also short covering. We've been doing that for the last 2 days out there. So another good sign from the DIIs, they are not rolling those shorts. So either they have seen redemption pressure, like I said last week, or they are also feel that the value for the thing is old. There's no need to short currently with these levels. Whatever call shots they have can do that job from them from here onwards. From the prop desk, they're doing the opposite. They did a major long unwinding and some fresh shots have come into the system from them. So prop desk also going differing from the FII standpoint out here. Again, we'll see tomorrow कि कल क्या कल भी वो वही करेंगे या कल उनका कॉन्ट्रा मूव होगा अगेन बैक टू स्क्वायर वन, कि कैसे होंगे. बट एट द सेम टाइम लुक एट द क्लाइंट्स आउट हियर. 13,000 लॉन्ग अनवाइंडिंग, माने स्टॉक्स विच दे वर होल्डिंग, जो ऊपर नहीं गए, जो फंस गए, या जिनमें मोमेंटम कुछ आया किसी ने वहां से एग्जिट ले लिया और रोल ओवर नहीं हुआ है उनके तरफ से. और बहुत ही स्मॉल क्वांटिटी का शॉर्ट कवरिंग आया है आज क्लाइंट से, 600 lots only. So virtually absent today. They not the ones who are bearish on the market continue to hold their shorts. The ones who are long have done long unwinding, not rolled into April futures from them. So in the option side, we can see it was all round buying from the FIIs. They were net. So that's primarily because of the good quantity of fresh longs in calls and decent quantity of short covering in calls, shorts, as well as put shorts which were covered by them. So that's why the figure is looking very good today from their end. In the stock options, here we can see again FIIs. This is long April series, March series, sorry, unwinding of calls out here. March series puts also unwinding. So more or less just unwinding. April they are yet to enter. At least today they did not enter into April fresh. Nothing from the DIIs out here. Very, very nominal 6 lots out here. The prop desk also similar. Very much similar. Look at the huge quantity of covering of call shots from the prop desk. These are calls which have melted down to zero virtually. So the content with the booking, they've eaten the entire premium up. So they're not doing, again, please note, April in this. Whatever they have in April, they're not adding more right now, maybe because they see the premium could go, or we'll see tomorrow what they do in that space. In puts, in fact, they have shorted, interestingly. So some puts covered, some puts shorted. So this section of the prop desk is looking at some stocks in which they are very bullish. So where not only did they, what do you call, give them interesting moves done out here by them. So they are looking a bit bullish on the put side, on stock side. While the clients, huge quantity of calls expired, Some clients have booked their call shorts out here, but overall, they've reduced that thing. And in put side, you can see those who are short in puts have covered some of their puts now. They were in profit in this out of the money, or they were losses which they have covered. Very difficult to say, but some have added put shorts also here. So clients on the stock option appear bearish. You can see from this data, while props appear bullish in the market. So today's picture looks like in this narrow range we had first a 150 point up and a sharp 150 point down has made clients go bearish, while props are neutral and FIIs have shown bullishness today after a very long time in the market. For tomorrow, सपोर्ट जो है वो आ रहा है 16,875 पर पहला लाइन ऑफ सपोर्ट वो है। वो अगर क्रैक हो जाता है कोई भी चांस से देन द नेक्स्ट सपोर्ट इज एट 16,650 व्हिच इज द मोस्ट अवेटेड zone by most traders looking at that zone. Everyone is looking at that, so don't know whether that will come so early, because when everyone looks for it, it usually doesn't happen like that. The resistance is at 17,150, $50 above today's high. और अगर उसको क्रॉस कर लेता है निफ्टी कोई भी चांस में, तो दूसरा रेजिस्टेंस 17,300 पर है, जो बहुत बड़ा रेजिस्टेंस है फिलहाल के लिए। बट मार्केट जिस तरीके से चल रहा है, क्या पता कौन सा लेवल कब टेस्ट करे। बैंक निफ्टी हैज गॉट a very strong support at 38,900. If वो क्रैक हो जाता है, नहीं होल्ड कर पाती है मार्केट, तो 38,500 पर दूसरा बड़ा सपोर्ट है। काफी डाउन है वो 38,500 वहां से। रेजिस्टेंस 39,750, वो अगर निकाल दे तो अपसाइड 40,200 पर आता है। And with that, I end this video. I hope it's of help to you and gives you strong insights to the derivative movements in the market. And if you like it, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Until then, have a great week, everyone. Bye.